Amid criticism from opposition and other political leaders, India on Thursday formally condoled the assassination of Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei nearly 6 days after the February 28 strikes that triggered escalating tensions across West Asia. Khamenei, 86, was killed on February 28, 2026 in joint US-Israeli air strikes on Tehran, which also claimed over 1,000 lives in Iran so far, including senior officials and family members. On Thursday, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri visited the Iranian embassy in New Delhi to sign the condolence book, while External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar held a second phone call with Iranian Foreign Minister Arakchi since the attacks began. Tensions peaked further with Iran's accusation that the US sank its frigate IRIS Dena in international waters of Sri Lanka's coast, about 20 nautical miles west of Galley, killing at least 130 sailors. The warship, a participant in India's Milan naval exercise and International Fleet Review 2026 in Vishakhapatnam, was returning home when hit without warning, per Iran's FM Arakchi, who called it an atrocity at sea. The Indian Navy responded swiftly, receiving a distress alert. It deployed long-range maritime patrol aircraft, airdroppable life rafts on standby, and diverted INS Tarangani to assist alongside the Sri Lanka Navy. Iran's ambassador to India, Mohammad Fatahli, warned Tehran does not seek war, but the conflict's duration depends on responses. Amid fears of disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, India approached the US for marine insurance cover on Middle East oil tankers. Current stocks suffice for 50 days. India rejected false claims of US forces using Indian ports for strikes, dismissing them as fake via the Ministry of External Affairs. Iran retaliated with missile barrages, including Khurramshahr 4 targeting Israel and US bases, plus strikes in Bahrain, Kuwait, UAE, and explosions near tankers off Kuwait, Iraq. European nations like France, Italy, and Greece coordinate to protect Red Sea shipping. For Bengaluru and India, this raises energy price risks and regional stability concerns. Watch for updates on oil imports and diplomacy.